In this video, I will show you top 5 websites that will help you to convert your PDF to all forms, and use all tools you need to work efficiently with your digital documents, while keeping your data safe and secure. Clever PDF. This website has 44 powerful PDF tools. You can also download this software and use it in offline mode. Another website is PDFCandy. This website is secureable and free to convert into all forms. There are many options. Try it and comment below. Then try PDF2Go. This is another website which help you to edit, and you can able to convert PDF files. Then try Ilovepdf. This is most used website and has huge number of traffic on this website. Use it for quick conversion tool. Then last website is bcdpdf. This is my most loved website. You can use it for free conversion tool. And the advantage of this website has Microsoft tool for instant, and you can save the process up to 20 file.